The Flying House. Hurricanes are violent storms with very strong winds. Sometimes, hurricanes are called cyclones. Hurricanes can cause enormous destruction. If buildings are not strong enough, a hurricane will smash them to pieces. Hurricanes are usually too powerful for everything in their path. In The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy's house was picked up by a cyclone. The cyclone carried the house along for miles. Read the story. They heard the wind wailing. It was coming from the north. Uncle Henry and Dorothy looked up and saw the wind coming. The strong wind was blowing the long corn in the fields. The corn looked like waves at sea. Then they heard the wind whistling from the south. They looked that way and saw the strong wind blowing the long corn from the south too. Suddenly, Uncle Henry stood up. "There's a cyclone coming, Anne!" he shouted to his wife. "I'll go and look after the horses and cows." Then he ran towards the sheds, where the horses and cows were kept. Aunt Anne stopped what she was doing. She came to the door. The cyclone was coming closer and closer. It was coming toward the house. "Quick, Dorothy!" she screamed. "Run to the cellar!" Toto the dog was scared. He jumped out of Dorothy's arms and hid under the bed. Dorothy bent down and tried to get him. Aunt Em was very frightened. She quickly opened the door in the floor and climbed down the ladder into the dark cellar under the house. At last Dorothy caught Toto and picked him up. She followed her aunt, but the wind shrieked loudly and shook the house hard. Dorothy fell over and sat down on the floor. Then something strange happened. The wind spun the house round 2 or 3 times, and then slowly lifted it up into the sky like a balloon. The house was in the center of the cyclone. In the middle of a cyclone, the winds are often calm, but not in the cyclone. In this cyclone, the winds lifted the house higher and higher. The house was at the top of the cyclone. The cyclone carried the house along with it for miles and miles, just like a feather. It was very dark, and the wind howled around her. But Dorothy was quite comfortable. The house rocked gently on top of the cyclone. Dorothy felt like a baby in a cradle.